information is really easy for us because internet is always there. But we can't rely always to the internet. Sometimes if there's no internet connection or there's no flow of current in our house, how do we research for our assignment? Maybe we can choose the alternative one, our books, our magazines or the journals, because we can find facts to that things. Finding information is really needed in doing research papers. In doing research papers is like making making speeches, just like what we are doing right now. We need to find appropriate facts for our speech, for for us to deliver a good one, and to give our audience a good speech, and for them to get something to us.
Many people have two enormous notions about research. This includes libraries and websites. Here's the first misconception. Web searching is more fun, more easier, and more efficient than using the traditional library sources such as books. But in reality, a web searching is quick and efficient, but it usually takes time and uh, websites use more websites than consulting a book. Um, there's a student named Carl Campbell who who is a cabinet maker. She actually researched about complicated procedures about cabinet making, and she said that it takes her 30 minutes to find information when she used the internet. Well, when she used books as a reference, it usually takes her 2 minutes.
Second misconception is the website, the books, the articles, and the journals. First, we use websites because if we type one word to the bar, there's so many information that we get, but not all of them is needed. Sometimes it's just examples, but the real description that we needed is not there. But if you go to the library and get one book, for instance, tourism book, you need to find the definition about tourism. If you get one article or one book about tourism, you can get the real description about it. But if you just search on the internet, it will take time for us to find the good description.
Still, Google, Yahoo, and other internet websites are such a million websites that we can find in internet. Well, in the book, we can just go to the library and search for the book that we needed. Um, for us to for us to be to take easier web search researching materials, we can use these two options: web searching and finding a book. But it all depends on us, on what will be easier for us to use.
two options, but on the latter part, we ourselves, we need to decide which one we we are good. We are yes, because finding information is really important, and it's depend on you of what you will choose to.